We started our day with removing and selling the ceiling panels on Facebook Marketplace. The guy just came by this morning. We removed it together, and now we have no ceiling panel, which is what we want because we're gonna start putting the sound deadening on here and finishing the roof with fans and possibly an air conditioner. We don't know if it's a rooftop one that we're getting or a under the bench mount ones. And we also received our 2 new fans that just arrived today. So that's gonna get installed in the next few days. Hi, Spence. Hi. Our van is so empty, right? Yeah. Kind of just hanging out outside. Hey, Spence. Oi, 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 oi. You're feeling, oh, don't spray, Mama. Fill the pool, Spence. Fill the pool. Okay. We gotta change our pants, okay? We're gonna play outside. It's so hot today. Yeah? Let's play outside for a little bit. Yeah. No, 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 no. Let me show you guys the new fans that we got for the van. See? I got some fans. Put away all the packing cubes. Yeah, you're gonna help, right, Spence? See this? Yeah. Wee. 呢個咁都好玩係咪啊？ Oh, we got our new fans. This is called the Air Plus by Nomadic Arc. It's a newer type fan. Most people use the Max Air fan. We use the Max Air fan in our old van, but I think this one is going to be a bit of an upgrade. I'll show you guys in the future video when I install this, but this is a pretty cool fan. It's got LED lights, blinds built in, blackout blinds, so this is going to be really good. Alright. And we got 2 of them. Whoa, you're skating! Yay! Well, it's a fig. 無花果係咪啊？
嚇，無花果啦。
Mama's got a fig plant here. How big is this one?
Strawberry.
Oh, you want to see the strawberry? There's a strawberry plant here.
係呢幾笪。
Oh, there's some strawberries, yeah. You pick some of the strawberries. Oh, 有蟲已經食咗啦呢個。A bug ate it. Yeah, 呢個蟲食咗啦。There's a hole in here. 呢個唔食得啦。This one is gone there. Alright, this is going back in. 呢個咧，呢個有冇蟲食啊？
呢個冇。
哦，呢個好似酸酸地啊，白晒呢個。
未熟啊？
係啊，熟咗就俾你食咗啦。
係啦。你又話得。
You wanna take one? 有冇蟲食㗎？
蟲食㗎。
Yeah, there's a lot of bugs that eat this, huh? How about this one?
Yeah.
How about this one?
Yeah.
You wanna take this one?
Yeah.
Here you go. You're welcome. You wanna eat it? Let's wash it. Yeah, let's wash it.
而家冇曬到正咧就好玩。
係啊，咁樣幾好。
曬到正。
You wanna give it to 嫲嫲食？你話請嫲嫲食？你請嫲嫲食啦，係咪啊？ You wanna give it to 嫲嫲 first, and then get another one?
Thank you.
Let's find another one.
又去。
請你食係。Let's find another one. That one for 嫲嫲. Let's find. Ooh, what about this one? This one. Ready? Wow, there you go. Okay, let's wash it again. Okay, 你同嫲嫲 cheers the strawberry.
係喎。
Yeah. Is it sweet or sour? Is it sweet or sour? Sweet. Yeah, yummy. 係咪？係啦，有 strawberry 食下係嘛？ Wow, very nice. We are headed out to Brooklyn for a little bit. We are meeting up with our friends who is gonna give us some tools. Some of the tools that we don't have to finish the projects. We need a ladder too. Hopefully he has most of the stuff that we need. But let's see. We're gonna meet up with him. All right, we're gonna drive the new van. All right, let's go inside the back. New van. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go in. Yeah, we're gonna go up here. Okay, let's go. Okay. Here's my friend's shop here. Oi, Kenny. 你好，你好。係。
咁咪咁。
What's up? What's up? What's up?
哦，呢個 belt table，I got some tools in my car。
Okay.
我兩張過嚟。
Okay，好好。開始緊嘅啦。而家做緊sound deadening installation。呢個係夠聲嘅。Just picked up a bunch of tools from our friend. We got mostly everything. I think I still need to pick up a ladder from him. He has it at his house. So we'll pick it up tomorrow. That's pretty much it, I think. We're gonna head over to 86th Street for dinner. Spencer's still napping right now. We just got parked. Spencer is still napping. We will head inside the restaurant once he wakes up. We'll just hang out in the van for a little bit. Let's go eat.
呢度矮唔大啲啊？
呢度你都要嗰個嘢。
都要。
The spot that we're having dinner tonight is an all-you-can-eat hotpot spot here in Brooklyn, Bensonhurst, Bay Parkway. This is called Lou Gai Lao Jie. Translates to Old Street Hotpot and Barbecue. Let's go inside. Let's see if there's a wait here. We haven't been here in many years. It's a pretty good spot. I did not pay. I'll pay. I gotta pay for parking. Where is it? From what we remember, the food here is pretty good and the price is pretty economical. So we will see if this is just as good as last time we remember.
嫩牛肉，跟住鴨血，要唔要豬皮啊？
Oh what?
Yeah.
Dark chicken right here.
And herbal?
Alright, soups are here.
Thank you.
And Rena ordered the tomato soup. I ordered a dark chicken soup, which looks really bold. We'll see the flavor in a minute. Let's go check out the sauce bar, which is over here. Looks like they got a pretty good selection of sauces here. You're gonna have me press the buttons? Yeah. Let's do a bit of soy sauce. Yeah. You want some too? I'll help you get some later. Okay. Got our sacha sauce. This is the main thing that we need. Sacha sauce, right, Spence? A little cilantro here. Some hoisin sauce. Some green onion. And some garlic. Oh yeah, nice garlic. And some peanut sauce. Oyster sauce. You like the peanut sauce? Okay, I'll give you a little bit, okay? And some sesame sauce.
Hey, pick a day, like...
Oh, some of our stuff are here. Yeah, you want some water? Yeah, you can have some water too. Ooh, let's go. Oh yeah, the blue crab looks really amazing today, huh? Oh yeah, we got a lot of stuff here. Alright, let me show you guys what this is. Yeah, that's a good spot here for you, huh? So everything we order is through the tablet here. They have some appetizer items. We didn't order any of that. They have a good number of seafood here, including crab. Whoop, not this one. Crab, shrimp, mussels. No, not this one. And the crab looks really good right there. So we'll order more for sure. We love those blue crab with all the egg. And every time I scroll, it's kind of just going down like this. Okay, let's do this. Some of the classic meatballs here. Beef tendon ball. I think I'll get some of that later. Frozen tofu. We got fish balls here. Quail eggs. Some noodles here. Fried tofu skin roll. These are a really good one for hot pot. And we got some udon for Spencer. Some veggies here. Corn. taro. And then some of the meats. It's not a huge selection of meat, but you have the fatty beef, the Angus beef, lamb, beef tongue, and pork belly. But we'll see how the meats are. We did get those. This is the fatty beef. This is the Angus beef, and this is the beef tongue. And yeah, a bunch of other stuff, including duck blood, duck feet, boiled egg, the frozen tofu, clam. This is a pig skin, pumpkin. There's a winter melon. Shrimp paste. What is it? Tender beef? Okay, I think that's a special type of beef that they marinate, but we'll try the fried tofu skin. And this is pork liver. All right, we'll try out their food here. This spot here is $32 per person, all you can eat. They also have a barbecue selection too, but we're not gonna do any barbecue. We're just gonna do hot pot. So let's try out their food. I got some beef here. You wanna try some of the beef? Wow, look at this crab. Look at how much egg this one has. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay. Good help like this. Wow, look at this fatty beef. Let's try the fatty beef out. Don't have to put some? Here. Okay, good. This is the Angus beef here. Let's try that. Put it in here, please. Thank you. Let's try their fatty beef. Looks pretty fatty. A lot of fat. Marbling on it. Cheers. Pretty tasty beef here. Really fatty, very melt in your mouth feel. And the soup is pretty good too. The soup is has like a medicine, Chinese medicine taste to it. Very strong, like herbal chicken taste. Tasty. That's the beef tongue there. Let's put it inside. Beef tongue. Thank you. You like the crab? Yeah.
It's very meaty.
Yeah, we gotta order more for sure. This one is the Angus beef. Doesn't have as much fat on it. Let's see how this tastes. A little bit of my sauce here. Cheers. It's a little bit tougher, but still pretty good. Cheers. Cheers. I like the fatty beef more though. This one is the pork liver. Oh, they cut it really thin. This should be pretty good. Let's try the pork liver. I love the thin slices of the pork liver. Nice chewy texture to it. Very good. This one is frozen tofu. This is really good for hot pot. This plate of fatty beef looks better than the first one. Yeah, this is a really nice marbling. Yeah, the crabs look incredible. Look at all that egg there. Wow. This is the frozen tofu. I love how like the frozen tofu will soak up all of the soup, the flavor of the soup. Makes it really, really tasty. Really great texture on it. Nice and chewy. This one is the pig skin. They cut it into strips. The texture on it is so good. It's like nice and chewy, like a crunchy texture to it. 最好食係咩啊？梳化？
呢個蝦肉
最好食係呢個。
大蟹，
蟹最好食。係啊，啲蟹最靚咁樣。
係啲蟹最靚。
We got more of the crab. It looks like the second batch here. Actually, this is the third batch. Not as many of the eggs there. So it's really the first batch that was really nice. We got more of the shrimp paste, the shrimp, and they really like the minced tendon beef or tender beef. The crabs that have the eggs are so delicious. Let's take it out. Oops. Wow, look at that. This orange crab egg right here. This is so good. This is why we like the blue crabs. For the eggs here. And there's more too. Look at that. And Spencer's eating a little bit of the pumpkin cake as an appetizer. You like it? Yeah. Okay, right?
Yeah. What is that, Spence? What was that? Spence. Spence. What was that? Voltaire, right?
Yeah.
And they got dessert here as well. This is egg pudding, milk tea. And we just got done with dinner. I think this spot is pretty good. Very reasonable in price. And for $32 per person, a lot of food option. I really like the beef here, and good thing that they have the blue crab. That was really excellent. Yeah, this is a pretty good spot here in Brooklyn. Good value for what the food is offered here. We are so full, right? Hope out, huh? Yay! All right, we're gonna start making our way back home. Yay! Hey, that is an A. Letter A. Okay, let's go. We are back at the house and we're topping it off with some ice cream. Unfortunately, Rena can't have any, so it's just going to be for me and Spencer. And I'm so glad that we're able to pick up the tools from our friend. And I think we're just missing 1 or 2 more items, and then we got everything that we need to work on the van. Ice cream, yeah! And so tomorrow, cheers, thank you. And then tomorrow we're going to continue working on the van. Hopefully it's not going to be too hot, so I can get some work done. So if you guys want to keep watching our time planning and building the van, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread to more people. Yes! We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you got some ice cream dripping. Can you say thank you to everybody?
Okay.
I do thank you. Ah, that's right. Okay, we'll see you on the next one.
No.
Bye-bye! I know, I'll clean your hand. Bye-bye.